fantastic investment opportunity in the heart of Stewartstown. This versatile 3-unit property is full of potential, ideal for business owners, investors, or anyone seeking flexible living space. Unit 1 on the first floor currently operates as a hair and nail salon with a half bath. It can easily be transformed back into a residential apartment thanks to an existing full kitchen and laundry area already in place. Unit 2 is a cozy first-floor apartment offering a convenient mudroom with laundry, a spacious kitchen with center island, a large open living room, 1 bedroom, and a 3-piece bath with a large shower. Upstairs, Unit 3 features a roomy kitchen, an oversized bedroom with cathedral ceiling and walk-in closet, and a spacious bathroom complete with a soaking tub, separate shower, and its own mudroom and laundry. Units 2 and 3 could be combined to create a large single-family home with modern comforts and plenty of space. Outside, you'll love the large covered front porch for Units 1 and 2, a private sun deck in the back, a 3-car garage with storage above, and a backyard with a charming pavilion area. The paved driveway offers ample off-street parking. With direct access to snowmobile and ATV trails and the unique ability to live and work in one location, this rare North Country gem is full of possibilities.